Hey, so I am going to just make this quick little video to show you how to grade in LiveText instead of texting you everything, because that is going to take a lot of text and that can probably get frustrating, like reading each one. So just pull up your LiveText, and this is what's going to come up, when you log in, is your dashboard. So you want to come to courses and click on courses. Click on course, there we go. Okay, and then you're going to select the class RDG 298. And then you're going to come to, this tab right here, assignments. Then when you do, these are the 4 assignments that we did, or that the students did for our class. And like I said earlier, this number over here, this is how many students are in our class. So however many students you have, that's how many are in the class. They're all in red right now because I've not graded anything. I have one in yellow right here because she's awaiting assessment, and that's because I was kind of goofing off and playing around and practicing one day. So that's why there's red and yellow. And you see right there it said, well, 27 have not been submitted, 1 to assess, and 0 completed. When they're all completed, then it will be green. Okay, so let's just go to book blog. So that will come up. Then you're going to select submission and grades. And there's all my kiddos. So I'm just going to pick the girl that I was practicing on. Some kids' names are in red, and then some are in black. If they are in red, that means they have not purchased LiveText yet. If they are in black, it means that they have, but that doesn't affect us either way, so it doesn't matter. That's on their end, so it doesn't matter for us. So I'll click on her, and her page comes up, and all we have to do is come over here and expand the rubric, and you can see where I was already playing around with her rubric. So these are the 4 categories right here: exceptional, proficient, developing, and unacceptable. The NA does not count for us. And I misspelled candidate. I can already see that right now. But proficient, in that section, that is where I typed the standard word for word. So that is the one that we're aiming for, or they need to be aiming for, is proficient. So you just go in and you just click where you think they land, based on the book blog. Did they meet that there? Do you think it's a 3? Or do you think it's a 2? They're developing, or is it unacceptable? Or did they do a really exceptional job? And then on the second element, remember, proficient is the standard word for word. Did they meet it, or did they go above it, or was it, developing, or is it just unacceptable? Absolutely. And so that's how you just do that. You just click it and then hit save and close, but I'm not going to do that because I'm not really grading her right now. And then when you're done, make sure you hit save and submit assessment, but I'm not going to do that because I'm just playing with hers right now. But when you do, it will take them from red and it will move them all the way to green. Then when you are done, you can just click courses again and go back up and go to assignments, and then you can move to your next one, book talk, or wherever you want to go, it doesn't matter. Submission and grades, and then you have all your children again, and you just start wherever. Oh, I haven't. Oh, yeah, here it is. Here's my rubric. Sorry. Oops, sorry. Expand. So here it is for the book talk, and then once again, you just click wherever you think they are. Save and close, but I'm not going to because I'm not really looking at it right now. And submit assessment. So that's what we do on everybody for all 4 of those assignments. So yeah, just text me if you have any questions, or email me, call me, whatever. And I hope that helped a little bit. So I'll see you later. Bye.